So today I'm going to be fixing up my beater car, which is an old Honda Accord. The exhaust for the whole beater car is all rusted off. So I just bought a brand new catback system right here, and I'm going to install it. But first, I'm going to let you guys hear how it sounds right now. Right now, the car has no muffler because it literally fell off. So it's basically a straight pipe right now. It's just a really old 96 Accord. It's really crappy. As you can see, there's a lot of sun damage on the paint. But I don't really care about this car. It has a lot of dents. It's a beater car. That's what a beater car is for. And in the back, you can see there's no muffler on right now. So we're gonna go put that on. I'll show you how it sounds right now. It's gonna be really loud. You hear that? Don't worry about that. That's just the locking window. But alright, I'm gonna rev it. It's interesting, right? Alright. It's all rusted out. Small, like 1.5 inch pipes. This is like a 3-inch pipe, which is gonna be really loud. So I can't wait to put this in. Plus it's all shiny. Bolting it in, tightening it up, new screws, whole new pipe. There we go. Okay. Whole exhaust is on. See how big it is in the back. Wow. That's how big it is. Test it out. Keys. Sounds better. Sounds better. Let me rev it. Yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about this really simple thing to do, ask away. This is my beater car, so I don't really care about this car that much, but it sounds nice.